The Disappearing Backpack. Late in the afternoon, Sarah hurried out of the school building. She had volleyball practice, and her friends were already waiting for her in the gym. She quickly placed her backpack on a bench near the entrance and ran to the court. 2 hours later, practice was over. Sarah was tired but happy. She walked back to the entrance, but her smile disappeared immediately. The bench was empty. Her backpack was gone. Her heart raced. Where is it? Did someone take it? Inside the bag were her homework, her favorite book, and, most importantly, her grandmother's necklace, which she always carried for good luck. She searched the gym, the hallway, even the locker rooms, but there was no sign of it. "Maybe you left it somewhere else," said Mia, her teammate. "No, I'm sure I left it right here," Sarah replied, her voice shaking. The two girls decided to ask the janitor. Mr. Harris was sweeping the floor near the exit. "Excuse me, Mr. Harris," Sarah said nervously. "Have you seen a blue backpack?" He shook his head. "Not today. But I saw a boy near the bench during practice. I thought he was waiting for someone." Sarah's eyes widened. "What boy?" "I don't know his name," Mr. Harris answered, "but he had a red cap." Sarah and Mia rushed outside. The evening sun was low and the street was crowded with students going home. They looked around, but saw no boy with a red cap. "Let's check the park across the street," Mia suggested. They ran to the park, scanning every bench and tree. Suddenly, Mia pointed. "Look! Over there." A boy with a red cap was sitting under a tree. Next to him was Sarah's blue backpack. Sarah's hands trembled. "That's mine," she whispered. The two girls walked closer. The boy looked up, surprised. "Hey, why do you have my bag?" Sarah asked firmly. The boy frowned. "Your bag? I found it near the bus stop. I thought someone forgot it." Sarah quickly opened the bag. Everything was inside, even her grandmother's necklace. She sighed with relief. "Thank you for keeping it safe," Sarah said, calming down. The boy nodded. "I was going to take it to the Lost and Found office, but then I got tired and sat here." Mia crossed her arms. "Well, you scared us. We thought you stole it." The boy laughed nervously. "No, I didn't steal anything." "My name is Kevin, by the way." Sarah smiled now. "I'm Sarah, and this is Mia." Sorry for the misunderstanding. The three of them sat on the grass for a while. Sarah told Kevin about the necklace and why it was so important to her. Kevin listened carefully and then said, "You should be more careful next time." "Losing something special feels terrible," Sarah agreed. "You're right. I'll never leave my bag unattended again." As the sun set, they all stood up. Mia said, "Well, this was an adventure. But next time, let's hope it's less stressful." Sarah hugged her backpack tightly as they walked home. She knew she had learned an important lesson. Even a normal day can turn into an unexpected adventure, and sometimes strangers can become new friends.